Good morning everyone. In today's video business studies, I am going to start chapter 5 and the name of chapter 5 is organize. Till the time we have completed videos of 4 chapters. Chapter 4, now chapter 5 organizing. So we have learnt organizing topic in functions of management in chapter 1. So here it is written meaning of organizing. The first topic in chapter 5 is meaning of organizing. Here it is written organizing is the second function of management. As we also know, by chapter 1 in functions of management we have studied organizing is the second function of management. It comes after planning. So you must revise these things that organizing is the second function of management. It comes after planning and organizing means arrangement. In Hindi we can say व्यवस्थित करना. So these three statements you must remember all the time that organizing is the second function of management. It comes after planning and it means arrangement, and after organizing staffing comes. So next chapter 6 will be based on staffing, which we will discuss later. So in functions it is second function. It comes after planning and it means arrangement. In Hindi व्यवस्थित करना. So these three statements are very important to learn and remember. Now for detail we can learn the explanation part. Here it is written, after setting up plans, next function of every manager is to organize the activities and establishing an organizational structure to execute the plan. Okay, after planning always organizing of things, activities and structure is done. So setting up organizational structure means, here is the definition of structure, means deciding the framework. Structure means framework of working, means which kind of working we want in our company or organization. How many units and subunits. Units and subunits means how many branches, offices or departments we need in our organization. How many posts or designations are needed, means what are the job and designations, job post or designations are there in our company, in each department. Okay, how many jobs for post and designations are there. How to distribute the authority and responsibility among different people. And also we have to organize which kind of authority means power, responsibility means obligation, means how will we divide and distribute authority and responsibility among different people. So this is the meaning of organizing. Now study definition of organizing. So here is one more person very important in management, it's Henry Fayol. So according to Henry Fayol, organizing means to organize a business is to provide it with everything useful to its functioning, raw material, machines, tools, capital and personnel. So simply Henry Fayol said organizing means to provide a business with all the resources for its useful functioning. Like resources means, as we know, land, labor, capital or 5M. 5M's. 5M's means man, money, material, machinery, method. And also same are written over here. These are same things like raw material, machines, tools, capital. Capital means investment. Personal. Personal बना है person से. Person means लोग. In Hindi we can say man. Person means लोग. In English we can say man, or we can say manpower, or we can say staff. Personal means staff. Log means how many people, how much raw material, machine, tools, investment we need. These are resources for organizing. So in organizing we arrange everything for our business. So in general words, very easy meaning is here. In general terms we can say organizing refers to arranging everything. Okay, organizing refers to arranging everything in orderly. Order here means sequence, not instruction. So organizing refers to arranging everything in orderly or sequenced form and making most efficient use of resources. And we have to use all the resources efficiently, means in a proper way. So simply organizing just means arranging everything which is needed for business. Here is one example given. For example, our school plans to conduct sports day or annual function. As we know, in schools and colleges there are many events are organized like sports day, annual function, etc. All the teachers and students are assigned different duties, various resources are arranged, and a coordinator is appointed whom everyone report for the work done and pending. So simply, in any organization or in any school, college, if there is an event, then we will have to arrange everything and there will be coordinator who will take the report. So this whole arrangement is called organizing. Simple means everything we arrange for any particular event, for function, for any festival, for any occasion, that's arrangement, and this arrangement is called organizing. So simply, organizing means arrangement. So today in this video I discussed chapter 5 and the topic meaning and definition of organizing. This is very important topic and very simple also. Just go through it, learn it. Next topic in this chapter 5 I will discuss in next video. Thank you for listening.